First day in the office in a while, and pretty Christmas tree. This is Popcorn. Does she look like a Yorkie mix to you? Mixed with what? We're going to try and find out. Yes, a doggy DNA test. Recording this now.
Okay. All right. This is not going to be fun for you.
This needs to be more. Go ahead. I wish it was in better light, that's all. She's already suspicious.
Do this twice.
Twice?
Yep,
Good
it's
Lord.
too small.
All right. We'll try. It's all right. It's all right. She's like,
Oh, God.
don't eat it. You have to do the same thing.
Oh, that's good enough. I don't know if that was...
Did you actually rub in there?
I don't think so.
Come on, Popcorn.
It's like her hair and stuff.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
That's
Okay,
just
it's
one
okay.
side.
All right. It's all right.
Sit. I have to do the other side. I know. It's okay. We're gonna finally prove that you're part Jack Russell. It's okay.
I don't think so, but okay. Come on, Pop. I know. I wish we had another. I need a light on for this.
I don't even know what's considered a dog cheek. No, that was not it. Oh, okay.
It's all right. Don't come for us, vet techs. If we're doing this wrong, we're trying.
Oh, no, that was good now. I can't tell.
Do you feel like you rubbed or no?
Oh, no. I'm gonna try again.
Okay. Come on, I gotta go.
I know.
Hold on, we're trying to get your cheek. Gotta get your cheek. Your cheek. What are you looking for? To see if it's wet?
Yeah, I don't know.
I don't understand. Did you feel like you rubbed or no?
I don't know. Like, I don't know if this is... Okay, alright. Maybe.
All right. We're hopeful that we got a swab. Okay? So hopefully she likes it. Oh, they're actually they're bigger treats than I thought they were going to be. That was the first one, first day. So. Like and subscribe to find out about Popcorn.